Hey, this is Charles Draven from infospike.com, and today I'm going to compare Claude Sonnet version 4 to Claude Sonnet 3.7 to Claude version 3.5 and then 2.1. And this is all for content generation. Typically, I use these tools for creating blog posts, video scripts, and much more. I'm going to go ahead and use Hemingway app, which will show me the word count. And then I'll go ahead and check out the readability as well. And then I'll go ahead and use this AI detector. This will allow me to see what is the percentage it thinks that it was human written. And what I'm going to do is also paste the results in this spreadsheet. So I do have a prompt that I prepared. It's a long one. And pretty much what I'm doing is that I'm scraping this content here. I'm going to go ahead and create a review that's 2,500 words that's specified in the prompt. And then I'll go ahead and provide it with some formatting information and then also make sure that it is in plain language and also that it's readable by people between the grades of 6th to 8th grade. So let's go ahead and just paste the prompt in here, and then I'll go ahead and run them in parallel here. And I'm using something called Poe, which allows me to use a wide variety of LLMs, even ones beyond Claude, such as OpenAI's large language models like the ones used in ChatGPT, then also Llama and Perplexity and much more. So let's go ahead and check this out here. It's generating content. Okay, I'll wait for that to finish, and that's going good. This is being generated. I probably didn't specify Markdown, but that's okay. And then I have this one too, and it says, unfortunately, I don't have enough information. So for this one, instead of scraping in version 2.1, which is older, I'll go ahead and use a product description. And then under that, let's see if it can handle this. I'll go ahead and just copy the whole page, press Control A to select all the content, and then paste it. And this is for 2.1. Okay, let's see if it processes that. Okay, looks like it's chugging along. Okay, so let's go ahead and just copy all of version Claude Sonnet 4's output. And then I'll paste it into Hemingway app. Okay, it says grade 11, 1637. I'm going to record that, but let me paste it in here as well. And it's detecting. Make sure that that detected correctly. Just click on the button again. Okay, yeah, I thought that processed too fast. So it's 42.84. So 11th grade, and we got the word count here. Okay, so let's put readability, that's 11th grade, word count, and this right here. And I'll just go ahead and normalize the text, the font size later. Let's go ahead and just paste it in here. Okay, and then let's do 3.7. Copy all the content. Put it into Hemingway. So it was grade 11. And now it's higher. I'll record that soon. And then let me go ahead and detect this. Okay, so for our version 3.7, the AI detection is lower, which is better. So it means that it's more human-like. And then let me go ahead and copy the grade level, that's 12, and the word count. Okay, and then let's go ahead and check out Claude version 3.5. 3.5 and up, that's all Sonnet. Okay, then I'll go ahead and paste it in the Hemingway app. Grade level is 11, less content though. Let's detect that. Okay, 27.83. Let's go ahead and copy that. Then Hemingway, grade 11, and then 717. Okay, let's check out Claude version 2.1. Says it's reached its limit. It needs more tokens, but it hit the final recommendation. So that's good. I don't need to tell it to continue. Okay, let's go ahead and copy that. And just take out the top here. Fortunately, the grade level is pretty high. And let's paste that into this. Okay, that's expected. By the way, Claude 2 and 2.1 are great for anti-AI detection, but they are older, both 2.0 and 2.1. Look at that, big difference. So grade 14, let's go ahead and make this all the same here. So you could see the results, and it just depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for just a one-shot, highly readable LLM, output from an LLM, then Claude 4 is actually really good. It's the newest one. And then AI detection is still pretty high. So I would actually run that into another tool if you are into that, trying to not show that the content is, written mostly by AI or all by AI. And then you got the high word count. So hopefully you found this comparison to be useful and that you could decide on which one to use. Again, Claude 3.5 on up are all Sonnet, and then I'm just using Claude 2.1 for the final one. This is Charles Draven from infospike.com. Thank you for watching, and if you are into this content, all about making money online, make sure that you check out the link in my description, and I'll show you a simple strategy that I personally use. So that's all for now. Take care.